Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add files to Google Drive, and now let's dive right in. Now, to add or upload files to Google Drive, first you'll be required to come to the Google Drive by typing in the address drive.google.com and enter. And if you are not over here, then you'll be on the login page. Sign into your Google account to access your Google Drive. And over here guys, in order to add files on your Google Drive, you can do it from two ways. Either you can click on the new button available over here, and you can see there is the file upload available for us. You can click on that file upload button and choose your files over here, or you can just go to my drive over here, and from over here if you can just simply click on the empty space over here where you can upload your files. Click on that and you can see guys, you can upload your picture, your musics, and your docs, and as well as your many folders over here. If you click on the open, they will be added or uploaded on Google Drive in a moment. You can see at the right side guys. And with that being said guys, this is how you can add files or upload files on Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.